Good evening, fellow YouTubers. As you can tell, I look like I feel bad, and I do. I was watching Porch Time the other day, and I caught what Danny has. Never in my life caught a virus from the computer, but I guess computer viruses are contagious. The computers get them, so why not people? Anyway, just a quick update. I was going to do a 100 subscriber giveaway, and I hit 100 subscribers before I could plan out the giveaway. And then I thought about winning the prize from Josh at the City Stead, and the book and the seeds that he sent and the things that I couldn't use, and starting a plan to send the ones that I couldn't use back to him, along with some extra ones that I have laying around that I'm not needing, and they're more than what I'm going to be growing this season, and before they get any older and not viable, somebody might as well use them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this video, and I'm going to have everyone that wants to be entered in the drawing to receive this envelope of seeds to leave a comment, and I will randomly pick one with the random generator, and I will send you this envelope of seeds, some of which come from Josh at the City Stead and some from me. And what I would ask you to do is to make a video, if you have a YouTube channel, about it. On the inside there will be a sheet of paper with all of the YouTubers who have participated, and are enough space for more if you need to add another sheet of paper. So that way every YouTuber that gets it has a chance to make a video and upload it, so that we all are recognized, get a little exposure for us smaller channels. We all get a chance to share and have things that we don't normally grow, or things that we need that we were blessed with that we don't have to go out and buy. So if you'd like to be part of that, just leave a comment down below, and I will pick a winner probably on next Friday. I will do that and announce it. And if you don't have it, if you win and you don't have a channel, find a small YouTube channel that you enjoy watching, send it to them, and ask that they make a video, so that we can keep up with where this envelope goes and who all gets blessed by these seeds that we're all pitching in and taking what we need and sharing what we don't need. It's a great way to build a community. It's a great way to build friendships. It's a great way to build your online presence. So with that said, let me show you what is going to be in the envelope that the lucky winner gets. Alright, so here's what I'm going to be putting back in the envelope. The Walla Walla Sweet Onion. It's a long day variety. I'm in a short day variety growing area, so I can't grow these. Some Rosella hibiscus flower seeds, and to the mix I'm adding in, I don't think, maybe you can read that, this is a hybrid sweet corn. It's G90, doesn't have a name yet, so they just call it G90. It's one of the sweetest corns I've ever had. Laxton Progress number 9 green peas, English peas or garden peas, however you guys say it. Cabbage, Waltham broccoli, a collard that is a cabbage collard. These are the ones that in the South we grow for more than 1 year at the time. The stalk will last 3 or 4 years and get waist high at least. You just pick the leaves off as you need them. Roma 2 flat Italian green beans. Some Market More 76 cucumbers. I divided the green beans into 2 different bags, so there's another thing of green beans. A field pea. This is Big Boy. It's a southern field pea or a cow pea. I'm adding in a cardinal climber vine that has nice flowers. Hummingbirds should love them with that red color. Some spearmint seed. Don't know how well that's gonna hold up. They're a couple years old. I just don't mess with the mint family because they're like morning glories. They come up everywhere you don't want them to. The next year they spread like wildfire. So I'm adding those to the envelope with the seed that Josh had. And as I said before, just leave a comment below that says you would like to be entered in to win this, and then I will send it to you along with the paper that everyone can sign to keep track of how far this envelope goes and how many people get blessed with seeds. And that drawing will be on Friday, and I'll make a video to announce the winner. And if you're a channel, just make a video about it. If you're not a channel, pick a small channel, I'd say with under 1,000 subs. Send it to them, ask them to make a video about it, and let's just see if we can. A lot of these envelopes have a lot of seeds in them, like the cabbage and the cucumbers and things like that. There's more seed than people will need, so there are plenty to go around. Just take what you need, put the rest back in, add some more to it if you have it. Whatever you guys feel like doing, let's just bless the next person in line. This is Morgan with Agape Farms. Remember, hit that like button, share, subscribe, and as always, God loves you and so do I. Until Friday.